Welcome to another video. Now let's delve into this. We have two whole number, 1 on 3 on 3, whole number 1 on 2, all raised to 500 divided by this. Okay, so let's be very careful here. Okay, so we have two sides. So what I'll do here is to write this one in the form of this. So 2 whole number 1 on 3 divided by 3 whole number 2 here. So we have to the power 500 divided by. So the next side we have this. So let's change this one. So 4 to 8 plus 3, 11 on 4, 4 on 4, 5 on 4. So all raised to -1. Then we have to the power 498. Let's change this one as well. 3 to 6, 7 on 3 divided by 3 to 6, 7 on 3. So we have 500. Okay. All right. So this side is 2, not 3. Okay. So divided by. Now we can change this one. So we have equal denominators. So we can subtract. So this side will be 11 minus 5. That will be 6. 6 on 4 raised to -1, all raised to 498. And we can change this one. So 7 on 3 times 2 on 7 raised to 500 divided by. So when we have a on b, all raised to -n, the same as b on a, all raised to n. So we can say 6 on 4 is the same as 4 on 6. Meanwhile, 4 on 6 is the same as 2 on 3. Okay. So we have 2 on 3 here. And we can also say this one will cancel this. So we have 2 on 3 to the power 500. 2 on 3 raised to 500 divided by. So this side is still 2 on 3 raised to 498 raised to 498. So from here, since we are dividing, when we have a to the power n divided by a to the power b, the answer is a raised to n minus b. So since the bases are equal, we can proceed with the powers. So we have 2 on 3 raised to 500 minus 498. That will be 2 on 3 raised to, so 2. And when we have a to the power n over b to the power n, is the same as a over b all to the power n. So this side will be 2 squared 4 over 3 squared 9. So the correct answer for the whole expression here is 49. All right, so that is that. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos like this.